Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about wearable accessories on the market right now, the Lyfanog Wristband. Is it just another wellness gimmick, or does it actually live up to the hype? Stick around, you don't want to miss this one. So, first things first, let's talk design. The Lyfanog Wristband comes in sleek, minimalist packaging, and honestly, it looks pretty stylish. It's lightweight, feels comfortable on the wrist, and you can definitely wear it 24/7 without it getting in the way. Now, according to Lyfanog's claims, this wristband is more than just a fashion accessory. It's said to help with energy balance, stress reduction, and even EMF protection from electronic devices. Some versions also claim to boost circulation or improve sleep quality. But the real question is, does it actually work? I've been wearing the Lyfanog wristband for a full week, during work, sleeping, even at the gym. And here's what I noticed. Day 1, 2, didn't feel much difference to be honest. Day 3 to 5, I started feeling more focused during the day and a bit calmer at night. Could be placebo, or maybe it's doing something subtle. Day 6, 7, sleep felt deeper, and I wasn't waking up as often. Was it life-changing? No. But was there a noticeable shift? Slightly, especially in terms of calmness and focus. Now we will discuss about its pros and cons. Comfortable to wear, sleek and stylish, might help with stress and sleep. No charging needed, if passive band. No scientific proof behind the claims, might not work for everyone on the pricey side for what it is. So is the Lyfanog wristband worth it? If you're into wellness accessories and open to trying subtle, non-invasive ways to feel better, it might be worth a shot. But if you're expecting a miracle cure, this probably isn't it. Have you tried the Lyfanog wristband or something similar? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest trending news and product reviews. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.